Number 6, letter H. Always silent in French, however, there are two different kinds of H. H muet and H aspire. The type of H as the beginning of the word lets you know whether to make elisions and pronounce liaisons with that word. If the word begins with the H muet, you have to make elisions and pronounce liaisons with that word. If the word begins with the H aspire, although the H is silent, you do not make elisions or pronounce liaisons with that word. Basically, the H muet acts like a vowel, whereas the H aspire acts like a consonant, therefore does not allow elisions or liaisons. The man, loom. In the example we just saw, we had to make an elision by using the contracted form of the definite article because the H in loom is a muet. Hero, loihu. In the example we just saw, we used the definite article le like we would normally do with a word that begins with a consonant because the H in heroes is a H aspire. Men, lezum. Example we just saw, we had pronounced the liaison between the S and les and the O loom because the H in loom is as H muet. The I heroes, le ehu. Example we just saw that we did not pronounce the liaison between the S and les and the E in heroes because H in heroes is a H aspire. To find out whether the H in a particular word or muet aspire, look it up in the French dictionary. In a dictionary, the uses of IPA symbols, International Phonetic Alphabet, the H aspire is represented by a single quotation mark. Word beginning with the H mute. Time, lore. Ars, leisure. Winter, levi. Winters, lishivir. Words beginning with the H aspire. The owl, luibu. Owls, liibu. The bean, luhariku. Beans, lihariku.